So we're waiting for the little divers to begin their activity. If they float to the surface, it is worth just giving them a little prod at the start with a glass rod to make sure they're down beneath the surface, but that's very gentle. And they bubble away on the surface there in the acidic layer of iron 3 chloride. But there's some other interesting chemistry going on, which you should be able to see in a few moments. There can sometimes be a little bit of a lag phase while they get going and decide to do what they're going to do as divers. You just need to be patient. At the moment they're still predominantly bubbling around the surface, but there's starting to something to happen. And as luck would have it, just around the other side, but one has just dipped down to the interface of the dark layer and the sugar layer below. Sugar layer, of course, contains potassium hydroxide and luminol. And there's one of the little divers going down and back up to the surface. Come on, let's see some more activity, please. Wasn't a very deep dive from that one. Hopefully we'll get something better than that. Doesn't look as though I've prepared very good divers this time. They're reluctant to go down into the sugar. Oh, there's one, head first. Right, so we've begun to get some activity there, as you've seen. And what we now need to do is to transfer this into the darkened room to see what's going on when they dive down into the lower layer. So let's transfer that as is. Oh, there's one going down as we make the transfer into the darkened room. We need to place the measuring cylinder into a convenient location, and just get that on shot, so there we can have it. And we can see the blue colour from the luminol better now, slightly better. just need to dim the lights just a little bit. You can see what's going on. So now let's have some diving action, please. So we prepared this in the light so you could see what was going on to start with, but it's best if viewed from the start, of course, in the dark room. It's much more spectacular, and if we can get the divers to dive down, I'm being too good at preparing these. You should see a trail of blue light. Well, perhaps not too successful this time. So, some interesting chemistry to explain there with the sugar density column and luminol reaction, amongst others. Okay.